actually totally insane. It's been snowing like all day and raining, and it's like 36 degrees, but we're in Manitou Springs and we're like, when are we ever going to be back here? So we're fixing to try to do the incline at Manitou Springs incline. It's 2,736 steps or something like that, 2,000 feet of gain. It's only a mile, but straight up and down, so we'll see how it goes. Any words? Last words?
Prayers.
Yeah, we'll update y'all if we make it, or if we don't. Parker would like to kill me right now.
Do I?
You said you would like to kill me right now.
Well, I'll be there.
Come on. Come from all the way down there, because we did a small hike from town because we missed the bus.
After we ran for the bus that didn't stop at the stop. So if you ever do this, just be at the stop waiting. He ain't stopping.
Look like you got a do-rag on.
I kind of do. But my sweat.
Oh, we made it. It was not easy at all.
Parker died.
But I will remind everyone that this was his idea to do it with it snowing, raining. I said probably not the day to do it. But he was like, let's do it anyway. Well, when are we going to get to do it again? So we did it.
Regretted it.
And we came from, literally we came from town because we missed the shuttle. So we came from like all the way down there. 2,768 steps. 76 steps.
76, yeah.
Not easy. So we did all this to break our new Ultras in that we got. Got these for $50. They're Gore-Tex, so had to do the Manitou Incline just to test them out. We're going down the Barr Trail route because that's the recommended way to go down. Also, don't believe my knees could make it down those railroad ties without giving out. But apparently it adds like 3 miles to the down route, but that's okay.
Do I?
It won't let me.
Look how low the clouds are. You can see it.
Still got all the way down there to go. So I don't believe there's any Ubers in. There might be in Manitou Springs.
Which you can't see right here. Pikes Peak is right up there.
Yeah.
Just a few miles away.
If it wasn't snowing, maybe we would be able to see it. But we did say it's pretty, might be prettier with the snow than if we did it when there was no snow. We made it back down. We still have a mile to get to our truck though, so that's good. But we're alive and we did it.